guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing an unboxing video of the Go and Say box. This is India's first bath and body subscription box. They launched their brand last month and finally I got my hands on to the March box, and so I thought of doing an unboxing. So the box is pretty basic. You can see it's a normal cardboard box with their website link over here. So the box is pretty basic and I will open the box right now. So box is like that. There's cards and everything is falling apart. It's completely loaded box, and the box is very lavish, and there's something written over here, be your own kind of beautiful, and I think which is very inspirational, you can say that, because every person is different. So be your own kind of beautiful, they have written. So let's get into the video. What are the things I got in my mud subscription box? So the first thing which I can see, it's info card. It's written a lavish bath experience. It simply, the color of the info card is so pretty, guys. There are all the details of the products that I got. So that's that. Once you open the tissue paper, it looks like this from inside. Every month they send us 4 bath and body products where they feature 2 brands mainly. This month they have featured Greenberry and Soap Square. There are 4 beauty products over here, and the theme of this box is lavish bath. So I am expecting some lavish bath and body products. The first thing which I got is this one, which is Greenberry Organics Strawberry Shea Butter Body Wash. I think which is absolutely stunning. You know how much I love Body Shop strawberry body wash, and I think after that this will be my second favorite, because I love strawberries, guys. I love the fragrance of strawberries, but I don't like the flavor though, but I love the fragrance of strawberry, like, you know, to linger around my body. I just love it. So here's the body wash. You get 200 ml of the product, and it's completely vegan, completely paraben free, cruelty free, animal testing, no animal testing product. It's completely a vegan product and no chemicals at all. So big yay for this, because it's a completely organic product, and I'm sure I'm gonna rock with this body wash, and I'm really excited to use it, guys. The second thing which I got is Greenberry Organics Rose After Bath Cream. Something is sticking over here. I don't know whether you can see that. Yeah, some confettis are, like, you know, stuck in between the plastic packaging, which is little weird. Yes, this is the exclusive launch of the product. You can only get this product on Go and Say, because they have exclusively launched this product on Go and Say. So make sure you check that out. You will get 100 ml product in this tub, and yes, this is also paraben free, cruelty free, completely vegan product, and I can't wait to try this. Okay, let me see how the bath cream is like. It's smelling from outside itself, guys. I don't have to open like that, because the smell is just divine. You know, rose scents and lavender scents are those kind of fragrance which can cool down your body. So I think it's a perfect summer buy, because obviously rose will soothe your body and it will completely calm down your senses. So from inside it looks like this. It's very creamy texture. Let me try it for you guys. Very creamy texture. Lots of product is there. Wow. It's so hydrating, guys. Trust me. It's so hydrating, guys. You can see the difference. so hydrating, it's so moisturizing, and it blends really well, and your body will linger with the smell of rose, which is big yay, because who don't like roses? Next thing is from Soap Square. This is neem and tea tree oil, Soap Square, and it's an herbal and handcrafted soap, which is very nice product because it has got neem oil, tea tree essential oil, neem powder, glycerin, purified water. Let's see how the soap looks like from inside. It's look like this, and it's like pale green kind of color, and you can smell the tea tree oil from here, and obviously the green color comes from the neem tree. I mean, I'm just saying. This is asymmetric because it's a handmade soap and cruelty free, paraben free, chemicals, all the bad things free. So the soap is big yay. Once I placed the order of this box, I got a call from the Go and Say team. They asked me what's my skin type and what are the issues of my skin. So I told them that since it's summer, my skin is pretty normal. Since it's summer month and I keep on getting the heat rashes, and yes, then they curated according to my skin type and the issues, and then they sent neem and tea tree oil handcrafted soap, because other YouTubers I have seen, they have got sandalwood soaps, saffron soaps. So I thought maybe whether I will be getting according to my skin type or not. But yes, they gave me according to my skin type, which is big yay. This is gonna rock on my body literally. Yeah, this is gonna really help me out. The second thing which I got is Soap Square Juicy Strawberries Lip Scrub. Guys, and nowadays, since we are using a lot of matte liquid lipstick, so our lips get tainted very badly, and obviously that time you need a lip scrub to get that discoloration out from your lips, because nobody likes stained lips. And yes, very happy that I got a lip scrub in this box, and this is how it looks from the outer packaging, which is very pretty basic like the Soap Square soap. The main review I will put it in another video, because I think nowadays lip scrub is very essential for everybody who loves putting matte liquid lipsticks, because obviously nobody likes stained lips or discolored lips, and lip scrub sort that problem out. So small tub over here, and a 10 gram of product you get. It's a full size product. You get the smell of strawberries. You have this plastic casing, and once you open it, you get smell of strawberry, which is super, because everybody likes strawberry and everybody likes to put strawberry lip balm, and then why not strawberry lip scrub. So the box is completely empty, only the flyers left. I want to show what I got in the flyers. So there's one discount coupon is out here. Okay, it's a 30% discount coupon you get. Okay, the Soap Square, there are different types of handmade soaps which they have shared in this flyer according to the skin type, skin and the problem type. That's all I got in my March subscription of Go and Say box, guys. And really the box was curated in such a way where every penny counts. So I love it. So that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you like it. If you like it, please rate, comment and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. If you want to get this box, I will place the link down in the description box. Make sure you check that out. Until the next time, I love you guys. Bye.